For most of us, mirrors are mainly used for vanity. It's an indispensable tool that helps us check to see that we look good before going out of the house. Or to go deeper, mirrors reveal our imperfections so that we can do something about them. And would you believe that it's not only us humans that would preen in front of a mirror? Researchers have discovered that some apes, dolphins, elephants, and pigs would do the same. Peacocks and roosters, on the other hand, would peck and scratch at the mirror, thinking the reflection they see is a rival. Mirrors are not only useful as a beauty aid, they are also an important part of microscopes, telescopes, high-definition televisions, and automobiles. Just think how difficult and dangerous backing up or changing lanes in your car could be without rear view and side view mirrors. Mirrors are also one of the most ubiquitous things you see around the house. They are in the bathroom, bedroom, in the living room, usually situated near the front door for the reasons stated earlier, and sometimes even in the kitchen and dining room. Their compact versions are even carried in many women's purses or vanity kits. On the other hand, their large and wide versions are often installed inside fitness gyms and ballet and dance floors. It seems people really can't stop looking at themselves. But have you stopped to wonder what exactly makes mirrors mirrors? Like, why do they reflect us? Both are good and bad features, literally, of course. We have got the answer here, but before we discuss it, we would appreciate it much if you would give a thumbs up to this video. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It would inspire us to create even more fun and informative videos just for you. Believe it or not, mirrors have existed even before the dawn of man. In those prehistoric times, however, they were merely moving bodies of water that reflected the sky on a clear day, or at night, when the moon was particularly bright. You could just imagine the first humans gazing onto a lake, probably wondering who those people were in the water staring back at them. Archaeological findings have revealed that the oldest manufactured mirror so far is 8,000 years old and was made of volcanic glass. It was found in Anatolia in the south-central region of modern-day Turkey. In 1835, Justus von Liebig invented the modern mirror when he coated a clear glass with silver nitrate. Mirrors have been made this way ever since, although it has become more popular nowadays to use aluminum instead of silver. A darker colored material or substance is applied on top of the silver or aluminum coating to protect it from scratches and to keep out light from that side of the mirror. How does a mirror work? It has something to do with what happens to light, whether it's coming directly from the sun or from something artificial such as electric bulbs that we turn on when it gets dark. It either reflects or bounces off of objects it hits, gets absorbed and turned into something else, or simply goes through the object. Light is made up of light energy known as photons. On a clear day, some light is absorbed by our body and anything else, while the rest is reflected off in every direction. When we stand in front of a mirror, the photons that bounce off of us go through the glass part of the mirror in a straight line and hit the silver coating where they get absorbed. The atoms of the silver become excited and unstable due to the energy from light, so they throw out as much of the photons that they absorb instead of keeping them. This happens instantaneously. These reflected photons of yourself and the objects behind and around you are what you actually see in the mirror. The fact that most photons are sent back out by the silver atoms instead of absorbing them account for the clarity of the reflection the mirror shows. This is also the reason why we see other people and they us and the objects all around us. The images are simply the photons that have bounced off of people and objects and hit the eyes of the onlooker. We hope you have found this episode of So That's Why quite interesting. Let us know what you think in the comments section below. Please don't forget to like it and to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.